What's going on, y'all? It's your boy B7 Mike. Today we're gonna go over our HSP fuse box cover for the 01 to 07 Chevy and GMC HD trucks. Let's get after it. Super important that we get this thing to your doorstep in the same condition that it left our facility. When you guys open up the box,
what's in the box?
you'll see all this nice cushy paper here. And there we have it, our fuse box cover and some Velcro strips. After you've rifled through all the packaging, you're gonna see your parts, but you're also gonna have a more or less inventory sheet. This way you can go over, make sure everything's included. So this here is part HSP-D-043-HSP. A couple of the benefits of this fuse box cover is it utilizes the factory cover, so you don't have to worry about any water intrusion or corrosion on those fuses or relays, which is super nice. It requires 0 tools for installation. It's laser cut and CNC bent. Another thing we did with this piece is we really tried to follow the factory contour. As you see over here, you know, the factory has this nice chamfer to it, and we really tried to retain that, what we're gonna refer to as an enhanced factory look. So the install process on this is gonna be a breeze. No tools required, super simple. Clean the fuse box cover, degrease it. We're then gonna apply the 2 strips of 6 inches of Velcro. We'll peel the top layer of adhesive off and then bring in the cover, make sure it's nice and centered and set it into place. And we're done, guys, that's it. Very basic degreaser. The goal here is just to remove any oil residue. Not sure if you guys use Under Armour or anything under the hood to keep this stuff from looking all faded and plastic, but get any oil off of this so that that Velcro will stick on real nice and easy. Let that dry for a few minutes. You have 2 6-inch strips of Velcro here, but I'm curious on your guys' feedback. Does the fuzzy side go down or does the fuzzy side go up? Curious what you guys think on that. We're going fuzzy side up. And by fuzzy side, we're talking that side. This will be the more coarse, and then that's the fuzz. Get those nice and pressed on before you take the top layer off. Off goes the top layer. When putting this on, just try your best to keep it lined up. It's a pretty snug fit, but you can have it off just a slight. So I'm gonna line it up with the fender here to make sure that it's nice and straight. And there you have it.
Nice.
01 to 07, gas or diesel, fuse box cover for any of you guys with the Chevy or the GMC trucks out there. Definitely gonna wanna check this piece out.